All right, everybody, welcome to another installment of Crypto Moose. My name is Mitchell Bouchard, and I am your crypto and NFT investor. Also, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to help us out here on the channel. So, what are we going to do today? We're going to be talking about a Cardano project that could be the next big one. And currently, it is on discount. We've seen the price go all the way up to about 80 ADA, and now it's hovering at about 39.40. That's the floor. All right, so let's get into the episode here. And what we're talking about, of course, are the hunks. So if you don't know what the hunks are, these are a pixel art NFT project on Cardano's blockchain. And if you haven't seen the video, definitely check it out here on the channel. I did a whole video on how I made, I think it was like, 800 ADA over the course of a few days flipping some hunks. So definitely check out those other videos that we have. And of course, all the other videos are here on the channel. So these are the hunks, and these are a really cool project because we don't have a lot of quality pixel art type NFTs. For those of you that know, the big NFT projects in general are going to be the crypto punks. So those were the first ones to really do it. So what I'll do is I'll pop up the crypto hunks and we'll take off some of these tags. We don't need those. And definitely comment down below if you think that the hunks are legit or not. Also comment down below if you've picked up some hunks, and if you own some crypto punks, you could comment that as well. So if we go to OpenSea, you can see a little bit of transaction history, some volume. Basically, we have CryptoPunks here, and these were basically the GOATs, the greatest of all time when it comes to NFTs. So we have 3,000 owners. And if you take a look, last sale for this one was 150 Ethereum. So these are very expensive, right? So you could obviously see a pretty heavy correlation. Now, the beautiful thing about Cardano is that it is much cheaper for transaction costs. The minting process is significantly cheaper effectively, but also these are undervalued. Now, of course, they're not going to go to the price of the punks anytime soon, the crypto punk, but that's also because these were like the first ever NFTs, right? So for those of you that don't know, an NFT is a non-fungible token. So they're basically a unique digital token that allow you to distinguish one from another. Whereas if you have, for example, Bitcoin, that's a fungible token. So they're all viewed the same and it's used as money, right? Because you wouldn't want one Bitcoin to be worth more than another Bitcoin or a SAT. All right, so I hope that makes sense. So anyways, this is where we're at with the market as well. We are at a $810 billion market cap. This is due to the fact that Sam Bankman-Fried is a moron. He definitely caused this market to take quite the dip. So that sucks to see. We also have a very low Cardano, 26 cents right here. Not looking too hot, and that sucks because my portfolio is like 40% Cardano. You should diversify more than that, but anyways, that's what I chose to do, so that's my fault. But anyways, let me know what you think about when it comes to the hunks. I have quite a few hunks myself. I'll actually just pull up a wallet here. So if we take a look on the screen, this is my wallet, one of my many wallets actually. And here are some hunks. So I've got this one, and of course I did another video on this, but I love this one a lot. This is probably one of my favorite NFTs now, and as you can see why, it looks really cool. So anyways, that's all I wanted to go over in this video. Again, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like Crypto Moose to cover in future episodes. And remember, if it ain't your keys, it ain't your cheese.